Guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the Shiba Inu coin and the Shiba Swap. So make sure to watch the video till the end and hit the subscribe button as I post videos daily on the latest and best altcoins and the crypto news. Today is a good day for all the Shiba Army holders. Shiba is gaining so much popularity and is already listed on so many exchanges day by day. So today we are going to talk about another exchange. So let's dive into the video. Today Shiba Inu has been listed on the Brexley exchange and it will be starting its trading on 25th of May. So that's a good news. We got some news on Robinhood petition too. Currently it is signed by more than 29,000 people. We are getting closer to our goal day by day. If you haven't signed this petition, go ahead and make the Shiba army stronger. For those of you who are unaware of this petition is designed to kindly request of Robinhood to please list Shiba Inu coin to trade. Dogecoin has been a huge success for Robinhood and its investors. We have all enjoyed the ride. Shiba Inu is a similar meme coin with genuine potential, up 2000% in the last weeks, gaining new grounds day by day. Shiba Inu has just been listed on Binance and its momentum grows by the hour. So guys, it's a good news that if we get this petition signed, then Robinhood will be listing this and it's gonna be huge. Regarding this same petition, we have an update from SHIB Informer. He says, we never asked to be listed anywhere. Exchanges just go ahead and lists us. But this petition was born from the community. That's why I am sharing it with you. An impressive number of signatures have been collected already. How high can we go, SHIB Army? Guys, this is a leaked clip which I saw on Reddit. This is not fake Forbes. SHIB is going to be listed soon on Robinhood in the next 4 to 7 days. The news is from a group of whales which gets first-hand insider info. This coin will skyrocket to levels like never seen before. Fasten your seatbelts. I think it's going to get huge. Guys, this is basically the interface of Shiba Swap, where you can exchange your SHIB tokens to leash and bone tokens respectively. Now let's have a look on the coin market cap of Shiba Inu. It is currently trading at 0.507904, up by 6% in the last hour. Market cap of about 3.1 billion and volume of about 1.4 billion. Now let's have a look on the market of Shiba Inu. Guys, it has already been listed on so many exchanges already and more exchanges are adding it to their portfolio. After Bitcoin, Shiba Inu is the most viewed cryptocurrency on coinmarketcap.com. This shows the popularity of the Shiba Inu coin and it is already on more than 800,000 watch. The entire crypto market is bleeding and we have negative news everywhere, but I have some positive news for my Shiba army. The news is that SHIB increases by 4 holders every minute. I know many are worried, but has anyone noticed the number of SHIB holders that is actually increasing by about 3 to 4 people a minute? I have been monitoring the number daily all week on Etherscan. The army is getting bigger day by day. So just hold your Shiba strong and we're gonna make it to the moon. On CoinGecko, SHIB is currently ranked 1 in the top 30 trending coins. So guys, I hope you like the video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and support my channel. Thank you everyone.